When it comes to car maintenance, the list of things that you have to do to your car can seem endless. You have to get tire rotations, brake pad replacements, and fluid changes. One fluid change that might slip your mind is a power steering fluid change. It's important to have this service every 50,000 miles or every 2 years. However, if you wait until you hear your car groaning and moaning, then it's gonna cost you some big bucks. Before we dive in, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you want to check the level your fluid's at, then find the reservoir, pull out the dipstick, and check the color of your fluid. If everything is perfect, then the color should be a bright red. However, if the fluid is going bad, then the color will be dark. Dark colors with a burnt smell mean the fluid has been damaged by overheating and isn't effective anymore. Also, if you feel like your steering wheel has been loose or super stiff, then this means that the fluid level is more than likely below the normal level. This isn't something that you'll want to ignore because it could lead to your steering being slow to respond, which could result in a car accident. Most people who own or lease a car forget to read the owner's manual. This little booklet has valuable information and lets you know when it's time to change your power steering fluid without even having to do any research. Your power steering pump helps circulate the power steering fluid, and it'll fail if you drive long distances without any of this fluid. Our auto service technicians can help determine what's wrong with your car and diagnose the problem for you. Get your car checked at Toyota of Orlando at 3575 Vinland Road.